How to use incognito mode to make Chrome searches invisible. Sometimes, especially when you're sharing devices, you don't necessarily want others to know what you were searching for or which sites you were visiting online. Perhaps you had to look up the best way to treat an unfortunate rash. Or maybe you are just embarrassed that you can't remember how to jump start your car. Neither one was me, why do you ask? For situations like this, Chrome's incognito mode can be a welcome reprieve from those judgmental eyes of friends, family, or coworkers. Chrome's incognito mode is a toggle that you can switch on to keep the browser from remembering the search queries you make or the sites you visit. This means that when you later go to view your browsing history, there will be no record of the sites you visited or the terms you used to search. This does not mean that the websites visited won't have a record of a visit from your IP address. Nor does it mean that the network you are using, be that school, work, or ISP, won't have a record of your browsing habits. It is not a cloak of invisibility, but rather a way to prevent those using your browser or computer to see a record of the sites you visited while in incognito mode. As we said above, incognito mode is particularly helpful in circumstances where you might be sharing a device and don't want others to see what you were searching or browsing. Still, it likely won't shield your activities from a school, employer, internet service provider, or authorities with a search warrant. Browse wisely and at your own risk. While you can use incognito mode in the Chrome browser across devices and operating systems, we're partial to Chromebooks and Android phones. Here are two of our favorites. The Lenovo Chromebook Duet is the perfect portable tablet or secondary laptop device. It comes with an excellent keyboard case and has a fantastic screen and great battery life. The Moto G Power is a great budget phone that packs a whopping 3-day, 5000 mAh battery behind its 6.4-inch display. It may not have NFC or an IP rating, but this is more than enough phone for most people. If you are a frequent traveler and want a way to keep your Chromebook protected, then you are in luck. We have found and compiled a list of the best backpacks that you can get for your Chromebook in 2020. Whether you need it for a Chromebook tablet like the Duet or just a full-size mechanical keyboard to use at your desk, you can get a great keyboard for Chrome OS devices of every style and connection type. Laptop speakers suck. Here are a few easy ways to go from "aw" to "aw yeah" when listening to your Chromebook. Text source, AndroidCentral.com.